In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily connect to your MySQL database that you have in Cloud SQL. And it's very simple. What we're going to do is visit the Cloud SQL tab. I'm going to create a fresh instance. If you already have one, you can skip this step. And I'm going to just leave this as default for now and give this an instance name. Now, before I go to create, I'm going to go to advanced options and skip down to where it said I can assign a public IP address to my SQL server. I'm going to enable that, and then I'm going to also add my IP address to the list of allowed networks connecting to that MySQL server. Now, the way Cloud SQL is designed, it will not allow you to connect from your local machine or an external application to Cloud SQL unless you specifically allow that particular network to connect. And by network I mean IP address. So I need to find out what my current IP address is, and to do that I can go to Google and do what's my IP, and there's the result. You can copy that, close this, and then under allowed networks I'm going to add my IP address there, and then click on create. Oh, it says this instance ID is not available, so I'm going to try using something entirely different and call it XDB. Create. And there you go, it's creating that. And this won't take more than a minute or two, so we just need to wait about that long. Awesome. It is now done creating. Now here's the IP address here of my SQL server. Now the second part that I need to do is to create a user which will be allowed to connect to that particular MySQL server over the internet or over a network. To do that, all I need to do is visit the access control tab, go to users, and then add a new one. You'll notice there's already root, but this is only available to users running directly on the SQL server, which we are not. Or it's only available to App Engine users. So I'm going to click on new user and I'm going to create a new user, and I'm going to just have a password. Let's see, under advanced options I need to make sure that the client host is %, which means any host. Click on add. Now it's been added, so the last step is to then try to connect. Now remember, I previously copied the IP address, which is what is displayed here, so I'm going to copy it again to be sure. Oops. Awesome. Copy. Now I'm going to use my console. I could use something like Navicat, SQL Pro, PHPMyAdmin, but keep this simple. I'm just going to use my console to do that. Sample user, and the host is this, and ask me for a password. Type in the password, and okay, looks like my password is wrong. We'll try it again. And that's it, I'm done. So that's how to connect to MySQL in Cloud SQL from your local machine. I can easily run commands like create database, and that's it. If you have questions, please put them in the comment section If you have suggestions, please put them as well in the comment section. Thank you very much.